How to add Visa gift card to Doordash. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add Visa gift card to Doordash. For this, you want to open the Doordash app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, in order to add a Visa gift card to your Doordash account, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top of your screen. Now, normally to redeem a gift card, you want to tap on the gift card option. Then you will find the option of redeem at the top right corner. Go ahead and enter your gift card PIN over here and tap on redeem to your account option. Now this is the case for other gift cards. If you want to add a Visa gift card, then you want to head back. Now the way you do it is tap on the payment methods option over here. Then you will find the Add Payment Method section. Go ahead and tap on Credit/Debit Card option. Now you want to enter your card number over here of the Visa gift card. Then you want to enter the expiry date over here. After that, you want to enter the CVV number over here. Now enter the postcode and then tap on the Add Card option. And in this way, you can add the Visa gift card to Doordash. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.